How to post live photo on TikTok. Let's get started. Launch your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the homepage. At the bottom, you're gonna find a fin option. Click on this plus option given at the bottom middle. With that, your camera will open up. Now what you have to do is, over here, you're gonna find different timer options. Along with that, you're gonna find the option of photo and text. Set it to photo, then click on the picture icon. With that, your gallery will open up. Now, go ahead and select the live photo that you want to upload. Once you have selected, click on the option Next. Now, at the right corner, you're going to find different features of TikTok. You can use these and edit your picture. In case it is not set to live, what you can do is click on this icon given over here and set it to live. And that's it. Once you are done, you can click on Next and upload it. So this is how you can post live photo on TikTok. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.